A light fixture, light fitting, or luminaire is an electrical device used to create artificial light by use of an electric lamp. All light fixtures have a fixture body and a light socket to hold the lamp and allow for its replacement. Fixtures may also have a switch to control the light. Fixtures require an electrical connection to a power source. Permanent lighting may be directly wired, and movable lamps have a plug. Light fixtures may also have other features, such as reflectors for directing the light, an aperture, an outer shell or housing for lamp alignment and protection, and an electrical ballast or power supply. A wide variety of special light fixtures are created for use in the automotive lighting industry, aerospace, marine and medicine. Portable light fixtures are often called lamps, as in table lamp or desk lamp. In technical terminology, the lamp is the light source, what is typically called the light bulb. The term luminaire is recommended by the International Electrotechnical Commission for technical use. History. Fixture manufacturing began soon after production of the incandescent light bulb. When practical uses of fluorescent lighting were realized after 1924, the three leading companies to produce various fixtures were Light-Olia, Artcraft Fluorescent Lighting Corporation, and Globe Lighting in the United States. Fixture types. Light fixtures are classified by how the fixture is installed, the light function or lamp type. Freestanding or portable. Table lamp fixtures, standard lamp fixtures, and office task light luminaires. Balanced arm lamp is a spotlight with an adjustable arm such as angle poise or Luxo L1. Gooseneck lamp, night light. Floor lamp, torch lamp or torchieres are floor lamps with an upward-facing shade. They provide general lighting to the rest of the room. Gooseneck lamp. Bouillotte lamp, see bouillotte. Fixed. Ceiling dome. Also called the light source, are hidden behind a translucent dome typically made of glass, with some combination of frosting and surface texturing to diffuse the light. These can be flush mount fixtures which are mounted right up against the ceiling, or semi-flush fixtures which are separated by a small distance. Open ceiling dome. The translucent dome is suspended a short distance below the ceiling by a mechanism that is hidden with the exception of a screw knob or other device appearing on the outer dome face, and pulling this knob releases the dome. Enclosed ceiling dome. The translucent dome mates with a ring that is mounted flush with the ceiling. Recessed light. The protective housing is concealed behind a ceiling or wall, leaving only the fixture itself exposed. The ceiling-mounted version is often called a downlight. Comes with a variety of lamps. This term is jargon for inexpensive downlighting products that are recessed into the ceiling, or sometimes for uplights placed on the floor. The name comes from the shape of the housing. The term pot lights is often used in Canada and parts of the US. Cove light. Recessed into the ceiling in a long box against a wall. Trophra. Recessed fluorescent light fixtures, usually rectangular in shape to fit into a drop ceiling grid. Surface-mounted light. The finished housing is exposed, not flush with surface. Chandelier, pendant light. Suspended from the ceiling with a chain or pipe. Sconce. Provide up or down lights. Can be used to illuminate artwork, architectural details. Commonly used in hallways or as an alternative to overhead lighting. Track lighting fixture. Individual fixtures can be positioned anywhere along the track, which provides electric power. Under cabinet light. Mounted below kitchen wall cabinets, display case or showcase light. Shows merchandise on display within an enclosed case such as jewelry, grocery stores, and chain stores. Ceiling fan, may sometimes have a light, often referred to as a light kit mounted to it. Emergency lighting or exit sign. Connected to a battery backup or to an electric circuit that has emergency power if the mains power fails. High and low bay lighting. Typically used for general lighting for industrial buildings and often big box stores. Strip lights or industrial lighting. Often long lines of fluorescent lamps used in a warehouse or factory. Outdoor lighting and landscape lighting. Used to illuminate walkways, parking lots, roadways, building exteriors and architectural details, gardens, and parks. High mast, usually pole or stanchion mounted. For landscape, roadways, and parking lots. Bollard a type of architectural outdoor lighting that is a short, upright ground-mounted unit typically used to provide cut-off type illumination for egress lighting, to light walkways, steps, or other pathways. Solar lamp, street light, yard light. Special purpose lights accent light any directional light which highlights an object or attracts attention to a particular area. Background light for use in video production. Black light, Christmas lights also called fairy lights or twinkle lights and are often used at Christmas and other holidays for decoration. Floodlight, safe light, safety lamp, searchlight, security lighting, step light, strobe light, task light, traffic light, theatrical, stage lighting instrument, intelligent lighting, follow spot. Wall washer. Lamp types. Arc lamps, xenon arc lamp, Yablochkov candle, fluorescent lamp, compact fluorescent lamp, induction lamp, blacklight. Fuel lamps, Betty lamp, butter lamp, carbide lamp, gas lighting, kerosene lamp, oil lamp, rushlight, torch, candle, limelight, gas mantle, safety lamps, Davy lamp and Geordie lamp, gas discharge lamp and high-intensity discharge lamp, mercury vapor lamp, metal halide, sodium vapor or high-pressure sodium, neon sign. Incandescent lamp, a lamp, parabolic aluminized reflector lamp, bulged reflector lamp, obsolete types, limelight, carbon button lamp, Mazda, Nernst-Glauer, novelty, lava lamp, special purpose, heat lamp, glowbar, gas mantle, halogen a special class of incandescent lamps. Nuclear, self-powered lighting, plasma lamp, light-emitting diode. Light fixture controls, three-way two-circuit switch, dimmer, light switch, lighting control system, motion detector, timer, touch, X10 systems. See also, architectural lighting design, coefficient of utilization, flashlight, history of street lighting in the United States, lantern, light bulb socket, lighting designer for the theater, luminous efficacy, timeline of lighting technology. References. External links, look at the chart and pick out the reflector you need. Popular Science Monthly, February 1919, page 75, Google Books.